हाय अंजलि, हाउ आर यू?
How are you?
आई एम गुड. चलो ये बताओ कि राइट नाउ व्हाट यू आर डूइंग.
Okay, so right now I'm working in flight safety department of Spicejet in a FOCA cell.
ओके, तो व्हाट इज योर जॉब रोल बेसिकली?
Okay, so basically I'm doing there as an executive in flight safety department. So right now I'm in FOCA, flight operation quality assurance in dgca section 5. It is mandatory that every airline should have this FOCA cell, which is earlier it was FTAP, flight data analysis program. So what we people do, we on the day-to-day basis we download the data from the different station that we got, we replay it, we analysis it, and then we found the accidents on the day-to-day basis, whatever done by the pilot or the first officer. Then we make the preventive action of, or like we have that actually FOCA trend that we quarterly share with the DGCA, so that they have the record of the airline and how the airline is performing, and if the accidents is repeated, for example long landing, it is repeated from the past 6 months, so then a cap need to be provided by the SMS cell of Spicejet or any other airline.
Okay, so do you have any license for DGCA license?
So for the being in FOCA cell, there's a different training that you need to have the certificate of that. So I have done that training of ITA. It is the international organization which makes the laws regarding the aviation, civil aviation. So I have the certificate of the internal audit. I have the certificate of investigation cell, and also I have took the training for the Aerobite software, which is basically we use for generating the accidents and doing the analysis. So I have all this 5 to 6 certificate that I have done training by for my company only. So they provided all the things free of cost.
That's great. And how come you are an aerospace engineer? How come you shifted your career in aviation?
So I think in all our department everyone is aerospace engineer only. So it's very much related to our field only, because aerospace engineer can much more aware about like how the which flap should be used while landing, and if the terrain is different, which kind of approach we need to use, like which should be used by the pilot. So we have that subject, flight safety, or we have the subject of aircraft materials. So all the things help out an aerospace engineer to generate all these accidents, because otherwise pilot will question on our ability, like who are you people to tell us that okay we have done this accident. So I think that aerospace engineer can understand much better. Even in the DGCA we have this profile air safety officer. So every year the exam, like they release the notification for the air safety officer. Like if I have that good experience in the airline, like 5 to 6 year experience, then I can be the air safety officer in DGCA.
Okay, without any license you can be.
If we have the experience in airline, because while in the airline itself give you chance to do the courses which is worth of 1.5 lakh, which I have done also. It's a one course for one person, it's worth of 1.5 lakh. So there's a profit benefit of being in this airline, that they used to give this chance to almost all of the employee. So I got that chance, and right now I'm also trying to prepare for the DGCA exam, and once I will also have this 2 to 3 experience. So DGCA prefer these kind of people, because we already work in the air safety department, so that will also help them in DGCA also.
Okay, thank you. And Anjali, also let me know that as you have said, you got certified and you are aerospace engineer basically. Being a fresher, is it okay to join as a flight safety officer?
Okay, so I think we should not go directly to the DGCA. We should firstly try in the airline, because it is mandatory by the DGCA. There is proper a car
civil aviation regulations.
Civil aviation regulation 5 and series F part 2, which mention about the FDAP, flight data analysis program, which is right now we call FOCA. So it's mandatory by the DGCA. It is in every airline. So first try in the airline, gain some experience, gain some like how the work has been done. Like recently DGCA has audit our airline, and I think most of the airline is being audited in this March or April month only.
Okay.
So like people come and check all our work, so it will give you the glimpse of like how the work should be done in DGCA. first gain some experience, at least 2 year experience in the airline, then you should try for the exam. So that will be good.
Okay. So, how was your experience? How many years or months you're working in this
Okay, so
job role?
I have joined in November 6 last year, and I think it will be 5 months in April. And in 5 months only, I was so fortunate that our chief of the flight safety, who is also a captain, Captain Er.Anjali Sharma, he gave me chance. He trusted me, and he gave me chance to do all these trainings, because otherwise, until you don't have the 1 year experience in airline, they don't allow you, because it's the courses are very much expensive.
Yeah.
As I said, it's 1.5 lakh per course, and I have done almost 3 to 4 courses by the ITA. It's an international organization. So yes, I got, my experience was till now is very good, because I got the chance to even involve in the Boeing synopsis that has been happened in the March 11 and 12. So I
Okay.
also went to the Boeing conference and met with a lot of pilot retired from the Air Force, from the Indian Navy. So I think it is also a good network building there in Spicejet. And yes, it's still going on, and I'm looking forward to learn a lot more, many things there.
Okay. So, what's a future perspective that you're thinking that you can further know in coming 5 years? You're looking yourself.
Yeah, so basically, firstly, I want to spend at least 2 years in this airline or any other airline like Vistara, or like there's a lot of other airlines. Once you get
Right.
at least one experience here,
Mhm.
and the perks. Even I want to mention the perks of being in airline. Like the flight ticket is free for us. We only pay the 670 rupees amount of the taxes that goes to the government.
Okay.
So even for my family also, the flight ticket is free wherever the Spicejet operate, even the international.
Okay.
So that's free for me and my family. And talking about the 5 years further, just after taking the 2 experience, I'm also preparing for the air traffic controller exam also. That is also under the DGCA only.
Right.
So, and also I can also prepare for the air safety officer, airworthiness officer, and as an auditor also I can go to the different airline.
Right.
To audit them, like
Yes,
right
yes.
now they are coming to RN. Maybe I am the part of
Oh, that's
the next
excellent.
5 year
Looking
of that
forward.
team. Yeah,
Hmm.
so that's basically at the end I want to join the government civil aviation, the DGCA. So I think that would be much better for me.
That's good. Nice talking to you, Anjali.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.